Oh, don't want to film you doing that. I'll just film your head while you handle your business. Hey y'all, filming Hoover again. And a little nature trail here close by the house. One thing I love about living down in the South and living in Georgia, find just peaceful spots during this quarantine period. So come on, Hoover. Come on. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Come on. It's a nice little area. Wish I can get his attention, but all he smells is scents. Yeah, and out here, you have to be careful. We get a lot of, wild hogs in this area. So we've been having an issue with hogs out here. Hey, get out there! Somebody left their scent there. Of course, coyotes, get out of here! And he's laying in something. Yeah, he's up here permeating the earth with different scents. But sometimes I like to get him out here. Hey, 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 hey. Walk backwards, see if he'll come to me. Hey, hey, Hoover. Hey. Yeah, you like walking in the woods? There you go. Yeah, just doing a little walking down a little trail. Hold on, Hoover. There you go. Right in the woods, buddy. Yeah, I got a nice little stream over here. He ain't gonna get in no water, so I don't have to worry about that. But as you guys can see, try to get a little closer so you can really see. See that? Nice little flowing stream. Really cool little spot. Yeah, this is what some of the things I do during quarantine, get away from people, kind of get out here in the middle of nowhere. Kind of in the middle of nowhere, but right around right in front of my house, believe it or not. It's a lot of forested areas here in Georgia. And you can find like little secluded places you can do this. Yep, but we shall get through this COVID-19. And I guess first and foremost, they have to get a hold of the virus. However, something has to give. I mean, it's only so long that we can stay closed down before the pressure pipes just break. But yeah, this is kind of what I do. I just go in nature. And out here, because we have hog issues, I am definitely carrying the 10 millimeter. Yep. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. You enjoying yourself by the water? Hey, Hoover. Come on. Come on. Come on, Hoover. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to let you guys go about your day. Just wanted to do a little filming. Just kind of what I'm doing in quarantine. Just kind of updating you guys. Hope you guys and your family are safe. Stay safe, and we shall overcome. Have a great day. Thanks.